here it is, the 16-inch MacBook Pro. So here it is. I got the Core i9, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of SSD, and yeah, I actually have unboxed it before. This is the second time. As you can see, you probably can tell I did a bad job repackaging it. I just couldn't wait for this. So yeah, it comes in a sleeve, in a plastic sleeve, and there's the paperwork. As you can see, I've already taken out the charging brick and the cable, and here it is, the 16-inch MacBook Pro 2019. Oh my god! Wow! Yeah, I've already set up my Apple ID and everything. Let me show you guys the specs on this. About Mac. So it comes with a Mac OS Catalina 10.15.1. I don't think you should see this. So it has a Core i9 2.3 gigahertz 8-core Intel processor. It has a 16 gigabyte of RAM. It's a Retina display. I don't know why Apple hasn't made a laptop with a 4K display yet. But yeah, this is what you get for the 16-inch MacBook Pro. They changed the keyboard from the previous generation to this, from the butterfly keyboard to this scissors mechanism, which they used before, and then they separated the escape button from the touchpad. The keyboards feel so good typing on. I know I'm going to enjoy this while editing videos. So the first thing I'm going to install on this is obviously Premiere Pro, and then Final Cut, because I do use Final Cut sometimes, and Photoshop, or my Adobe Suite Final Cut, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office. I'm going to go out and get a dongle. I get a USB for my phone.
One eternity later.
Let me test the speaker for you guys with my favorite song. Let's see. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can tell, but the speakers are really good from the get-go. And if you see me, my dogs them with me. Southside of the river at the Garden City. Catch the vibe and the feeling. Cause this is how we live it. Yeah, left, right, front and right. Up, broke, to goes up. This is really loud, and this is really some quality sound. If you see me with a foreign gal in the front seat of a foreign gal, I know you know what I'm coming for. So there's no use in asking what I want. I've been cruising through the sunshine now. I'm just trying to hold a vibe right now. Dance on me while I roll up, shawty. Girl, you know what's going on. Like I'm get down now, get down now, get down, get down, 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 get down now. So yeah, you've heard all that, and I'm sure you know. I don't know if you can tell, but the quality is really, really good. So yeah, that is the end of this video. It was an unboxing video, and that's all. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. And yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and peace.